It's official. After Time Warner and AOL walked down the aisle in 2000 in one of the biggest media marriages of the decade, Time Warner announced the details of its long-awaited divorce from AOL after the bell yesterday. Our markets reporter Sheila Dharmarajan has been following that story. She has all the details on what's going on. Sheila.
Well, you know, that's right. It was a big awaited details, and now people are really looking forward to what Time Warner and AOL have to say about this distribution. And here are the details. In the spinoff, it's an 11-to-1 distribution ratio, which means that for every 11 shares that Time Warner shareholders have, they're going to get 1 share of AOL stock. Now, the shares are going to be distributed on December 9th and start trading on the 10th. And now the big question was about valuation. Well, based on this distribution ratio, CSFB puts the value of AOL at about $3.5 billion.
Valuation, something else that's getting attention here, Sheila. Clearly lower valuation than what investors had seen for AOL.
Well, clearly, you know, this was a company that was valued at $124 billion during the original merger back in 2000, and the value, it's been shrinking ever since. So in 2005, for example, Google purchased a stake of AOL that put down the valuation of the company at about $20 billion, so a big discount there already. And then this summer, Google sold that stake back to Time Warner for a price that put the valuation closer to about $5.6 billion. So another big discount there. And now with the spinoff and these details out about the distribution ratio, we're at $3.5 billion. So continuous decline in this value, over $100 billion of value lost. And the big reason is that fewer people are actually logging into AOL. Fred Moran, he's from Benchmark, he told us that AOL's subscription business is to be in perpetual decline. But now the big question is, are the shareholders getting a fair deal? Well, Porter Bibb, he's from Media Tech Capital Partners, he told us last night that, I hope Time Warner shareholders gifted with these AOL shares don't look at this gift horse's mouth too closely, because if they did, they would run. There's no buyer for AOL, and the only good thing about this is that it finally takes the albatross from Time Warner's neck. So incredibly shrinking values for AOL, but perhaps a good deal for Time Warner shareholders, John.
Sheila, thanks a lot. We'll watch Time Warner shares today.